dili jud matag-an ang kinabuhi, right? Dili jud matag-an magkasakit-sakit ta, bisag unsa pa nato ka healthy today, magkasakit jud ta. Pero thankful na jud ka kuya kay naaraman pod mi imong mga igsuon, ig-agaw, tabangan na jud ka namo ya. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, this is different than usual because today I'm a little bit sad. It's because this video is all about the situation of my cousin, guys, who has kidney stone and he needs some assistance. This is my way of helping him so that we can gather a little fund and we can add something to his budget. Right now, we're going to interview some questions, some personal questions, guys, so that you will know why he needs assistance and what is the reason behind it. So, without further ado, I'm going to call you guys and introduce you to my cousin. So, come here, Kuya. Sit beside me. So, today it will be Bisaya Cebuano English questions. I'm going to put subtitles out there so that you can also understand. Kuya, how are you feeling today? Kamusta man ka?
Kuha niya akong sakit ay ganun mga ito ko tabang ba?
Before we proceed, kuya, unsa may pangalan nimo para makabalo sila?
Jordan Cervelita,
Pila imong edad?
37.
37 years old. So, just to give you guys a little background, my uncle has been working as a making or planting flowers in Busay. So, Busay is very known for its cold weather here in Cebu, where a lot of flowers grows out there. So, pila naman ka katuig kuya nagtanom og mga bulak?
Napo katuig.
10 years. Kumusta ang income?
Unsahay usahay wala kay ang pagtanom ba dili samang liho kay labi sama aron init,
Mm.
way tubig kabubo, wa gyud income kay sama ron pati mahal gasolina, ang tubig namo pinaduot man.
Pinaduot. What does it
Oo,
mean, kuya? Unsa may pasabot ng pinaduot?
kanang ang tubig dira sa ubos niya paduot ngadto babaw,
Ipasaka.
basin aron.
Mm.
Kay mahubas man ang tubig diri sa babaw, ari kuha diri sa kanang kuan, ubos.
Okay. So Kuya said, guys, that the income is very unstable sometimes. It's because I think one factor is the water, especially right now that the gasoline is rising up and it costs so much. What are the reasons that resulted of situations nga naa ka karon? Is it over fatigue or unhealthy foods or kanang pagkaon sa dili healthy, sa pagtagay or unsa may mga rason nga nung nagkaingon ani ka imong lawas?
Murag sa kuan siguro ni sa pagkaon,
Pag
himarat mo kugod.
himarat ka.
Hmm.
Pero nabantayan pud nako kuya nga grabe pud kay ka kakugihan. Lado kay ka sa bukid na kugihan kay patangas kay kag bukid kay magpalit man din ka grade horse.
Ah,
Ginawa sa ta kuya. I think kuya guys is a little bit sad jud kanang very sad because the surgery will be this coming 28 and I think 26 you need to go to the doctor, right? Need na ka madto og doctor kuya inig ka karong Domingo or Lunes kay mo surgery kay Martes man. If you can tell kanang pila man day magasto sa imong upcoming surgery?
di kuan to sa doktor nga kuanon nig 150.
150,000.
Oo.
Unya, if you don't mind, pila man imong mga na-save or pila man ang punanan na kay gamayng tigom sa imong pananom dito og flower or wala jud tanan?
Doon ako tigom-tigom mga 20 ra gid to.
20K.
Oo.
And kanay imong sakit karon kuya nga kidney stone, di ba? I think katugod kuya na medical. Ako lang i-attach sa picture, guys. I think mo ni ang result and ipakita nako later on. Kuan niya, unsa may mga na-feel, nabati nimo? Unsa may mga nabati nimo nga kani nga sakit? Unsa man sakit imong tiyan, lisod kaon, ingon ana.
Igsakit sa akong diri kilid, kuan manang akong pangihi murag di kayo mo ginagmay lang ba.
Mm.
Dili ingon nga dinaghan gyud. Basta mosuod gyud maayo. Nya akong kaon kanang ginagmay lang sad kay murag di man ko ka kuan og kanang kuan ba, baho ba.
Dili kay ka you cannot smell anything. Pila naman ni katuig nimo na nabati kuya? Like pila naman ni katuig nga sakit?
Duha.
2 years.
Hmm.
So, did you do anything? Like, did you consult a doctor? Kanang, nagkonsulta ba kag mga doktor ya once katong na-feel na nimo nga naa na kay hambing nga sakit?
Oh, sige nang
Sige
kuan
lang kag monitor sa doktor. Where is your previous medical records, kuya? Diin man ka napa-check up sa una?
sa kuan na Guadalupe.
Guadalupe.
Hmm.
Dili diri sa Cebu City.
Guadalupe to.
This upcoming surgery, you plan on having it in asa to te? Soto Medical Center. I think it's a public hospital, but the doctor is from the private. So that's why it costs a little bit. So, unsa man imo ikasulti kuya, like mo na niya tong last. Unsa man imo ikasulti if once mapun-an na ang imong budget, kung nanay mga mag-donate nimo kuya para ma-successful ang imong opera, unsa man imong masulti or unsa imo ikasulti karon nila nga nagtan-aw ani nga video?
Mangayo ta kon lagtabang unta nga ko maoperahan lang ta ko.
Maoperahan ka.
Dugay na akong antos ani akong sakit man. Mangayo lang ta kon lagtabang. Eh, wag gyud tayo kuan ta kuot.
Mm. It's because as well, kuya has a son. Oh, na kay anak, di ba kuya?
Oh.
Oh.
So,
He has a son, only one. But ever since before, guys, I've known kuya as a very hardworking man. And right now, he's been very kind with the family and to us. And this is my way of helping him. And I really wish, kuya, that you will have a successful surgery this upcoming April 28th. And hope that if ever you wish to donate or to help my uncle, guys, you can also send it to Tape Organization PayPal account because I've also contacted his situation to our dearest founder so that he can also give advice or send us a little donation. So that's all for today. Thank you so much, guys, for patiently listening to our simple and to our conversation, and I hope and wish that this upcoming Tuesday everything will go smoothly. So daghang kayong salamat kuya for also sharing your illness with us and being brave to ask for help because there's always a lot of people in the world that wants to send help but they don't know how. So at least in this way, I was able to help you and at the same time um, give those persons that wanted to help where they can send their donation if they want. So thank you so much guys for watching and thank you Kuya and I hope and I'll be contacting you again once I receive something for you. For sure there will be Kuya. I know someone that is very generous, very kind and wanted to help you. So wishing na mapunan og dagan patag mag-gather. So mura na kuya, kuan lang akong ma-advise nimo kuya personally. Dili jud matag-an ang kinabuhi, right? Dili jud matag-an magkasakit-sakit ta, bisag unsa pa nato ka healthy today, magkasakit jud ta. Pero thankful na jud ka kuya kay naaraman pod mi imong mga igsuon, ig-agaw, tabangan na jud ka namo ya. Mas successful ra lagi na imong surgery nya kuan. Wow, malimbasog lang ko, di ba? Di ba dear? Laban lang. Tas ampo jud ya, ampo jud nga successful na atong surgery. Kay di ba nalalim na sana pang intusok nila dira ba. So moran jud na akong makuan nga bahalag ha? Unsa? Oh, stay positive. Positibo lang gyud taya nga kuan mas smooth ra ang surgery. Kuan, mao ra to akong masulti nimo. Laban lang. Fight, fight, fight. Kuya is tearing up. It's because of his situation. Because it's not really easy. But this is life. Life is not always perfect. Sometimes we don't know that along the way we feel ill or we will get sick. 'Di ba? So that's all. Thank you so much guys for watching and a hug for Kuya before we say goodbye.
Salamat day.
Welcome ya.
Please just tell me what's on your